Living the LifeWave lifestyle makes everything more rewarding. We highly value our customers who continuously choose our patented health technology that is designed to elevate the future of living well. We are thrilled for you to discover the rewards of our Preferred Customer Plus program. The Preferred Customer Plus program unlocks all the benefits of the Preferred Customer program with the added rewards of earning product credit and receiving monthly samples with a qualified monthly subscription order. These rewards include wholesale pricing and subscription savings, loyalty rewards, access to the LifeWave In-Touch App, LifeWave referral link, and a LifeWave pre-populated shopping cart. Preferred Customer Plus members also receive access to our Share program and monthly product samples. Wholesale pricing unlocks savings of over 30% on LifeWave products. Plus, the added convenience of a monthly subscription order arriving on the doorstep each month. The Preferred Customer Plus program also rewards those who maintain an ongoing monthly subscription order with free LifeWave SWAG and access to tools that will help them understand more about the LifeWave way of life. Here's how loyalty rewards works. After every 3 months of receiving a monthly subscription order, PC members will get exclusive LifeWave SWAG with the following month's order. After 12 consecutive months of receiving a monthly subscription order, they will receive a full-size sleeve of LifeWave patches. Qualifying monthly subscription orders must be a minimum of 39 business volume. Exclusive to Preferred Customer Plus members is our sample program. They will receive a sample sleeve of some of LifeWave's most popular products each month for 5 months with their monthly subscription order. On their 6th consecutive monthly subscription order, they will pick a full product sleeve of their previously sampled, regular patch packages as a thank you. Product samples arrive in the following order. First monthly subscription order includes X39. Second consecutive monthly subscription order includes YH-Eon. Third consecutive monthly subscription order includes glutathione. Fourth consecutive monthly subscription order includes Silent Nights. Fifth consecutive monthly subscription order includes YH-Carnosine. And on the 6th consecutive monthly subscription order, a free full-size sleeve of any of the previously sampled products, up to a $149.95 value. This excludes our premium patch range of X39 and X49, while products may vary depending on market availability. Additionally, PC Plus members have access to our Share program, which rewards those who share LifeWave products with their friends and family members. When they refer 3 or more customers, and those customers purchase LifeWave products, they can earn $100 or euros in free product credit each month. When a Preferred Customer Plus member refers at least 3 or more customers who spend at least $300 combined on any product within the month, they receive a $100 or euro credit toward their monthly subscription order the following month. Reminder: the credit covers patch products, not the applicable taxes or shipping costs. We have made sharing easy with a personal website URL for each Preferred Customer Plus member and preferred customers with a pre-populated shopping cart feature. Start sharing by simply pre-populating a virtual LifeWave shopping cart with recommended products and then sending the link to others. It is easy to set up and makes buying LifeWave products that much easier for potential customers. Also, Preferred Customer Plus members receive access to the LifeWave In-Touch App, which is an incredible resource for product and program education and a great way to share LifeWave. The power of LifeWave in the palm of their hand. How exciting! To join the Preferred Customer Plus program, simply schedule a qualifying monthly subscription order and by paying the annual $19.95 enrollment fee. It's that easy. Visit lifewave.com and start experiencing the incredible benefits of the Preferred Customer Plus program.